Let's take a look at shares of AMC. They are higher, but barely, just 0.25% at this hour. The movie theater chain will make its debut on the Russell 1000 this Friday. That represents, of course, the top 1,000 companies by market cap. Let's turn to Charlie Gasperino. And usually when they join an index, they have to, anybody has to bring on, if they're reflecting the Russell 1000, right. AMC stock.
Right now, speaking about means, let's go to AMC. Interesting thing. AMC is about 80% off its highs from last year. Around this time last year, it was heading to above 70. I think there was an intraday high of 77. It's obviously not there now, right now. A lot of that was pushed by the Fed, which caused irrational exuberance. On the message boards, it was a call that the
stimulus checks, people trading.
And also on the message boards, people were pumping this thing, saying that there was going to be a short squeeze to 1,000. That didn't happen. Quite the opposite happened. That doesn't mean we're not going to get a pop in this stock at some point. And one of the places I think we could get a pop, at least according to my trading sources. I mean, this is what they're telling me. What do I know? Maybe it peters out. But on Friday, it gets added to the Russell 1000. It got in there because it had a market cap of $7 billion a couple of weeks ago, where the cutoff was. We should point out it's below that now. So you're going to see. But they still get in because they made it at the cutoff date on the market cap.
Right.
You're going to see probably a spike in shares, a spike in trading, a spike in, and probably a spike in price. So just keep that in mind. That's the short term. The long term is, again, you got to look at long term with this thing. Yes, people are going back to the movies. Problem is, there's not a Top Gun every other week, and that's one of their issues. They need these sort of mid-tier movies to do a lot better than they're doing, and they're not. That's one thing. The other thing is, if we're going into a recession, it's going to hurt growth stocks. The Russell 1000 is a growth stock. It's a small cap growth company index. Speculative stocks would generally take a hit when interest rates are rising, and when you go into a recession. So keep that in mind. Plus, the company is still losing money. And plus, Adam Aron said it himself. He's diversifying because the movie theater business is not that great.
He bought a gold miner.
He bought a gold mine. So, what's that song? She got the gold mine, I got the shaft. Do you remember that?
No, I don't remember that.
Who did that? That was Jerry Reed. Jerry Reed, great singer. We should play that for this every time we do.
How about not?
Revlon is a meme stock too, I was just told. So that's where we are right now. Friday could be a good day for AMC. The buildup could have, but remember, this is problematic.
Hey, Elvis is coming out. That could be some type of hot movie. I mean, don't underestimate the power of the king.
Elvis, is he still alive?
He was seen down the hall.
I heard that somebody saw him on a beach with Biggie and Tupac. Did you hear that?
Yep, heard that.
And
could happen.
Same person who said that to me told me AMC is going to 1,000.
I'm telling you, that's funny, Liz. All right. Charlie, thank you very much.